Swingful week for dollar index, higher highs and higher lows are formed, and yes, most importantly, towards the end of the week, we have seen a very good recovery candle. Now, what to expect next week, as we had already seen the base streak and then the reversal after three green candles on the weekly charts, the first red candle and a doji candle is formed. What to expect next week? Is it going to fly high again, or we can expect it to trade bearish and try to retrace again? Yes, it has formed a very good base here. So which position you should take in the next week, and also we'll see the outlook for the month of June with the help of first charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy to watch out for. Do watch till the end. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Yes, we do share our daily updates twice a day for major global markets and commodities. Do watch that also. Also, you can remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. Now, first look at the weekly charts for dollar index. See the first bottom, the reversal was here, retracement. Then the bottom reversal sign, and yes, this is all happening at the same levels here. You can see this 100.5 100.6 level. It just tried to breach for once but is failing to stay. So this is the same levels at which it is consolidated, created the base. It has again showed the reversal and then since then has recovered. So classical formation here, but one point to note here is the lower highs it is trying to form, flat bottom it is trying to form. Hence, only and only if it stays above 105.5, you can consider that the dollar index is going to rise more, and then the DXY might head till towards 108 110 levels. A recovery till towards these levels is possible if it stays above 105.5 levels. Now, one more thing to note here is, see on the weekly charts, it has always been trading in this zone. Now it has formed a double bottom here. It is trying to retrace. A possible rise for 105 105.4 and more can show you a little recovery before it looks over to its long-term bottom here. We have to wait for it patiently. Right now it is trying to recover a bit. Now look at the daily. On the daily charts, you'll find, see, it is consolidated for here for a while, and then this sharp red candle has seen one sharp red candle, and a very strong recovery also is seen here. And hence, any point of time, once you see it trading above 104 next week, definitely we can expect it to rise more. Now what could happen? Possibly the next candle might open bullish. It can continue with the rise, and only if it breaks past 104 104.5, you can say that it is turned again and it is going to stay bullish. Also on the daily charts, one another point to note here, see the very strong base, it has come out of the box, it is traded bullish, but it has left a white space here on the downside. However, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement. So the slope here is changed only and only if it breaks past 105 levels, 104.5 levels, you can say that it is going to fly high. Right now, we have to wait for 104 at least to be breached. And the same observation formation here on the daily charts is the lower highs, flat bottom recovery possibly can be expected. Now coming to the monthly charts. On the monthly chart, see DXY has been trading in this channel for now months and ages, almost since 2008 2010. It is trading in the first bottom, second bottom. This is almost the median here. It is just trading as per at the median, because above the median at 100 above 106 it can try to achieve the higher highs, and below that it is possibly, see, this is a median channel rather, I will say, and below this again it will try to hit the bottom. So right now it is very much placed very well within the median of the channel. Now coming back to the monthly charts, see the formation here, the drop, one retracement candle, resistance 105.5, couple of retracement candles, and this we had discussed in last few weeks that, see, this candle and this candle, the bearishness has diminished here, a smaller body size, and then we had seen last month in the month of May a bullish candle. Now this is the first candle, and this time it is going to decide which direction it wants to take. Now also if you look at these three candles, triple bottom is seen on the monthly charts, and hence any breakout first above 104 then above 105.5, if these two levels are taken, you can consider that the dollar index is going to fly high in the near future. At least 108 110 levels can be expected again if it continues to reverse from here. This is the zone which it might try to strike before looking forward for its downward journey again, or else possibly a double top here before looking forward to a downward journey again. So this is what we can look forward to in the long run. Right now it is trying to reverse. Possibly for next week we have to wait for it to break past 104, 104.5. Once it stays above 104.5, just stay long and it is going to give you 105.5 in the month. And then beyond that, possibly we are going to look forward to a very, very strong rise. Now this is purely on the charts. Let's have a look at the indicator. Indicators on the monthly charts trading above the 20, 50, 100 months moving average. Very good sign. All trading with divergence is still bullish. It may break sometime, but possibly a retracement before it looks forward to a break can be seen. Also, if you look at moving average is almost flattened here. That is one point where we need to, because see, a flattening means it is trying to trade within a zone here, and that is what we have already seen. Now also if you look at the directional movement, this is still bullish, trying to converge here. It is not yet crossed over. Stochastic has hit a bottom, trying to recover here. The MACD on the other hand on the monthly charts is still bearish. Hence this is only the one point where one has to be watchful, because see, the MACD on the monthly charts has crossed over 3 candles, almost flat here. The bullishness is not seen. That is what it is reflecting. Once it crosses over, possibly a double top, and then a long-term drop can be expected. Also, we had seen this crossover has happened at a little higher levels. It can try to recover and then drop from there. So a drop is certain in the long future, but right now it is trying to recover a bit. RSI is at comfortable zone, neither overbought nor oversold. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, most importantly, see the 20 and 50 period moving averages have crossed over here. Now they have started to converge. I will wait for them to cross over and wait for the 100 period price to also move up. Right now the prices are above the 20 and 50 period moving average, situated at around 103, 103.4 level. If you look at super trend on the weekly charts, is still on the sell side with the resistance at 106, 106.5 levels. If you look at the directional movement here is bearish, willing to cross over for a buy. The stochastic has come to overbought zone. We have seen this cycle earlier. Let's see what it does now. But look at MACD. See, the MACD has crossed over, trading with little divergence. This crossover is happening at a bottom. This may bring a little pullback. But if you look at, see, higher lows, and hence possibility of a pullback also increases from here. RSI trying to recover from the bottom. And if you look at the daily chart, now interestingly on the daily chart, the moving averages have already crossed over the 20 and 50 period. Now this is the 20 and 100 period crossover. Very good bullish sign. Wait for the 50 and 100 to cross over too, and that will turn the prices bullish. The support here is seen at 103. Very, very strong support is seen at 103. And in fact 100 to 102 is my favorite levels. Only if it breaks below 102, that should be the time when we can consider that the prices is reversed and it is going to break again on the downside. But right now, till the time it stays above 102, more bullishness may prevail. Direction movement convergent here. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD on the daily charts is on the verge of a bearish cross. It has not yet crossed over, and this is probably still shying away from the high. So there could be a second high which it must try to attempt and achieve before looking forward to a drop here. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably. And before we proceed to the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, if you want to learn this art of technical analysis, which can be applied to any commodity, forex, indices, crypto, anything. If you want to learn these strategies and become a profitable trader, should join my mentorship batch 22. The 22nd batch starts on 5th of June. Couple of seats are left. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signal where we trade major indices and commodities. Reach out again on Telegram and email for details on same. Now, where to buy? See, though you can buy here at 103.8 levels, but I will wait for 104, 104.2 and 104.5. Now this is the zone where it is going to get the maximum resistance. Staying above 104.5, just stay long on dollar index. You are going to look at 105 and 105.5 in a very, very quick fashion. It can cover this up till here. Possibly in 1 week, 2 weeks, it may try to hit this zone, but this is the zone till towards 104.5. Do not consider that is the bullishness. It till the time it stays below 104.5, and below this, beyond 104.5, it is going to fly high. Possibly 105.5 is the level for the month of June. It needs to break past by this, because beyond this it is going to trade extremely bullish. Once it stays above 105.5 and 106, you can say that the next target is very far. It will take time, but yes, this is going to get achieved in the near future, midterm, maybe in the month of June, July. But yes, this levels might get achieved if it stays above 105.5, 106 levels. On the downside, where to sell? I will recommend you to sell here at 103.4, but then 103.2 and 103. Very good support till 103 levels. Once it stays below 103, my favorite levels will come into picture till 102.65, 102.3 and 102. I will not consider this as bearish till the time it stays above 102 levels. Only below 102 there will be furthermore bearishness, which might bring the price a little lower. And this is applicable not only for this next week but also for the month of June itself. If it stays below 102, there could be little more bearishness, taking it for 101.2, 101.6 levels. I do not see this happening. I do not expect it to drop till towards 100.5, 100.6 level. But these are markets and I don't run markets here. And possibly below 100.5, 100.6, we can see again a good drop. My long-term targets for 98, 95 levels will get achieved first before it tries to retrace if it stays below 100.5 levels. So take your trades. I'll still expect a bounce back. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.